So in today's video, we're gonna take those bots that we put in yet on episode 1, right? We're gonna go into these channels and we're gonna finish up our Discord today. Okay, so you see I had to move my camera a little bit up here because what we need to do, all right? So we've got all of our folders, right? So we did all of our permissions, and yesterday in our video, our mods going live, we only had it to where our mods could post in it, okay? So now what we need to do is we need to go into set up. We're going to set up Zebra Bot first, okay? So what I do is we're going to come to the choose roles, okay? Or excuse me, the welcome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this message, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to come right here and we need to have our welcome message, right, in our welcome channel. So come down to bot commands and we're going to type in Z/channel. So this tells ZebraBot which channel I want to go to. And then I need to do hashtag welcome because that's the channel we want to be in. All right. And I'm going to say Z/message. And this is the message I'm going to put in here, okay? These are the rules, right? So we're going to change it up. Welcome to the test server, okay? Do not do this, blah, 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 right? Whatever rules that you want to. Now, what I'm going to do right here is I need to, because I copied this from another server, it won't work. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here and I'm going to put the, I'm going to put the smiley face. So let me move this out of the way for a minute. Let me move my webcam over so you guys can see exactly what I'm looking at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this smiley face as they agreed, and we're going to put the frowny face as they disagreed. Okay? Enter. Okay? So now what that has done is if we come up here, okay, I'm going to go up, and again, I'm going to click on this welcome channel, okay? I know you can't see it because my webcam's in the way, but you get what I'm doing. So if you come back up to that welcome channel, boom, here it is, right? But now we want them to be able to react to the roles, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come back down to that bot command, and we're going to do Z/add, and then we're going to add the smiley face, and we're going to do @verified users, okay? So we're going to say anybody that reacts with the smiley face is going to be given the role of verified user. Enter. Then we're going to do Z/add. We're going to add the negative or the frowny face at everyone. Enter. Okay, so we can see that it was added. So again, if we go back up here to the welcome message, boom, here they are. Okay, and the reason why we did this, right? If they come into your channel and don't react to the rules, they're considered everyone role, right? And what did we set in the permissions? We said, so we go to this games and we right click, edit category, permissions, everyone cannot view the channel. Okay. So what we need to do now is we need to give them the roles that they can choose, right? These roles don't give them additional permissions. It just shows what people can be notified as, right? So we're going to come in here and I'm going to grab this from another channel that I built. So again, bot command. So we're going to go Z/channel because now we need to move over to the choose role channel. Hashtag choose roles and our Z/message. And here's our message, right? But I've got, these are those emojis I told you to download, right? So you would click on the smiley face, go to the test server, click on PC, space. So we're back up here. And this is going to be our Xbox. So again, go to our test server or whatever server you're setting up, Xbox. Test server. PlayStation. Okay. So what platform do you play on? If you want to add Nintendo and all this stuff, you can. So we're going to hit enter. Now we need to add those roles that they can react to, right? So again, Z/add, and we're going to go up here. We're going to say the PC game is at the PC role that we built. Okay. Boom. Z/add. We need to do the Xbox at Xbox. Z/add PlayStation. Did we not add the PlayStation role? Okay, so we didn't. So we got to come up here. We'll go to roles or server settings, roles, and we didn't. So create a role, do it real quick, PlayStation, save, X out of there, and then at PlayStation. Boom. So now we go back up to our channel, okay, and I'll turn this off real quick. There is our choose roles. And now we can see that this works. So if we go over here to my account and we look at my roles, I've got server owner and verified user, okay? So now if I say I play on PlayStation or PC and I play on Xbox and I react to them, if we come back over and look at the roles, boom, look, Xbox PC, okay? So let's turn on the camera again. And what I like to do, so sometimes this will time you out. If you don't put the Z/add, the emoji, and the role, sometimes it can time out on you. If it does, just do it again. Z/channel. Hashtag the channel you want. Z/message, the wording, Z/add, and then the roles. Okay, so we're going to go and add the next set of roles that they can choose from. So come back down to bot command, Z/channel, hashtag, choose roles, Z/message. And again, because I copy and pasted it, see, there's our error. See what happened? Because I brought these in from somewhere else. This emoji doesn't work here because it's from a different server. Okay, so what we need to do is we'll come up here because we messed up, and we're going to come right here and we're going to delete that message. And then let's turn that back on. Let's come back down to bots. So Z/channel, hashtag, choose roles, Z/message. We're going to post that message. And again, we need to go get our own emojis because I pulled these from another one. That's why we uploaded it in the original. So we're going to say YouTube. There's Twitch, TikTok, and Facebook. Okay, enter. So again, Z/add. We need to add the YouTube in here. So our test server, YouTube, at YouTube. Z/add. Our next one is Twitch. At Twitch, Z/add. TikTok's our next one. Z/add. And I think Facebook's our last one. All right. So the next one I like to do is, are you a streamer or are you a viewer, right? Because I think it's important for people to know. So we're going to, again, even though we're already in this channel, I like to go all the way back to the beginning to make sure there's no issues. So again, Z/channel, hashtag, choose roles, Z/message, paste our message, do you stream or support? So my first picture is we're going to do a streamer. Because some people do come to your Discord just to be a viewer. And there's nothing wrong with those people. We all have viewers. So Z/add, because we're going to add that reaction now at streamer. Z/add. At viewer. See, so we didn't get that viewer role in there, right? So if we do it quickly enough, server settings, roles. Oh, we called it a supporter, okay? So what we need to do is we need to change this, and we're going to call it viewer. So we come right here, viewer, boom. All right, so let's grab this real quick, and let's bring the webcam down here. And let's go up and look at our choose roles. So now when they come in, again, I have these roles that have gone in here. Now I can say, okay, I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, and I'm on TikTok, and I'm a streamer. So once we've reacted to all this, right here, roles, boom, I got all those. Now, this is the important part right here. Again, this is how I build it. When I come in, remember, so when we come in, when a user comes in, I don't want them, when they automatically come in, They're everybody role. I don't want them seeing anything, okay? So remember, like we did yesterday, server settings, roles, click one, doesn't matter, view server as, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna unclick all these. So now everyone, so this is what they see, okay? See how they can't even see this? They can't see this, all right? So we need to change that. So my welcome, we're gonna go to edit channel. Now again, not the category, the channel. So edit channel, permissions. For the everyone role, I need them to be able to view it, and I don't want them to be able to do any of this stuff. No messages, none of that stuff. I want them to be able to view it. I want them to be able to add a reaction so that they can react to the rules. And I want them to be able to read message history right here. Then we're going to turn everything off. So save changes. And let's get out of that. So now, again, let's go make sure it's right. So server settings, roles. Click on any of them that you want. All right. So we'll come right here. View servers role. Select roles. We're going to select them all. Okay. So now, look, they can see it and they can react. Okay. But they can still see this. And I don't want them to see that yet. So what we're going to do is in choose roles, I'm going to edit this channel, and on the permissions side of this, everyone view channel, no. Right? But now let's think about it. So if they can't see that, the first thing that they saw when they came in is the react to agree or disagree. And when they disagree, they stay everybody where they can't see anything. But when they agree, they become a verified user. And remember, now that we're in the choose roles, I need verified users to be able to see this, okay? So all we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and we're gonna add our verified user. And I want them to view that channel, nothing else, except for, again, add reaction. And they need to be able to see message history. Save channel. All right. So now I want to test it again. So server settings, roles. I'm going to click whichever one, view server. So now let's take it off. And here we go. We can see they're everybody. So they come in here. I'm like, okay, cool. All they can see is welcome. They react to the rules. So we know when they react to the rules. And this, because we're viewing as a certain role, it doesn't really work the right way, right? So we know when we do that, they get verified user. Okay, so things are opening up. Choose roles. They can react to the roles, and this is what they can see, okay? Now, again, they would see more. They would see all this. I didn't set it up, the permissions on every channel. Just in sake of time, I did it that way, all right? So that's your zero bot right there. Your zero bot has added your welcome message in your rules. They can react to it, and when they react, it gives them the verified user to open up the Discord. Then in choose roles, they get to choose this so people can look at them and stuff like that, okay? Now, the next thing that I want to do is I want to set up a certain bot, right? So we're going to go to the YAG PDB6. We're going to go to control panel, and we're going to select our test server. We're going to select that test server, okay? Now, what this is going to do is that going live thing, I want them to automatically, when they go live, boom, they get that role, okay? So what we're going to do right here is we're going to come in here to notifications and streaming. I want to enable this, okay? Announcement channel, if you want announcements to go out, you can. I don't do it. There's the announcement message. You can change all this. But when the currently streaming role, okay, I want to give them that currently live role. And you can whitelist some people. If you want to whitelist only your mods, you can ignore certain roles and everything like that. But then I'm going to save changes, okay? Save stream settings. So now, because this is done, YAG PDB, what I wanted to do is give it a currently live role, is done. So as soon as somebody starts streaming, they have to have their Twitch account connected to their Discord, and they must have streamer mode enabled, okay? As long as they have those two, boom, they show up live. Now, the next thing that I personally want to do, okay, if you have a YouTube channel, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to my YouTube channel, mute this, and we're gonna go to my channel, and I'm gonna grab this link up here. Okay. This is if you have a YouTube channel. You can come right here to YouTube in your notifications. And what I want to do is it'll automatically paste it, right? And the Discord channel I want it to go to is YouTube. Okay. And I want it to mention everybody, right? So anytime that I post a video or you post a video, it's automatically going to announce it to everybody and go into that channel that we put in the YouTube. So we say add, save. And I will show you what that looks like on my server. Boom. YAG PDB6, Smoke Sergeant uploaded a new YouTube video. So every time I upload a YouTube video, it automatically posts in here. Okay. So that's what I use that one for. Okay. So again, I use Zira to go ahead and do my roles. I use YAG PDB to do my YouTube announcement, and I have it doing my going live. Okay, so again, there's several different things. If you want to dig into Zira a little bit more, if you want to dig into YAG PDB, there's also Me6. There's so many bots that you can use. This is what I use for my server. It works for me. There's things like server stats. There's birthday ones. There's so many bots out there that you can use. This is the one I like. This is the one I like to use. And again, so just went and showed you how to set up an entire server. Okay. And it has reaction rules. It has the bots that I use. So again, do what you like, do what fits your style, what you want to build. And like I said, if you have any questions, come by my Twitch, come by my Discord, or drop me a message in the comments and let me know what you think. Again, we're gonna start another series tomorrow. I'm not gonna ruin the surprise, but we'll see you tomorrow for the next video. Thank you.